These are a few tips that's going to help you drop tremendous amount of fat throughout the entire body. Because first of all, you need to understand you can't spot train when it comes down to losing this additional body fat. First thing you want to do is, one, after you eat, I highly recommend take a walk, get a little bit active. You ain't got to always go outside depending on what the weather is, but clean up around the house, move a little bit more. You don't realize you sitting after you eat, all that's doing is, at the end of the day, it's lowering your metabolism. Ain't no way around it. So do me a favor and make sure you get active right after you eat. Another thing I want you to do is, it may sound simple, but a lot of people ain't doing this, get your 10,000 steps in. A lot of people like to focus on just what they're doing in the gym, but we forget that you spend so much time out of the gym that the gym is really only 5 to 10% of your day. So if you focus on little things as far as staying active by taking a few more steps throughout the day, it makes it that much easier to keep that additional weight off. Because at the end of the day, do understand, it's intake versus outtake. Outtake is going to be your activities, intake is going to be what you're consuming. Last but not least, tip three is stop focusing on just doing abs and cardio. Very important to understand this. A lot of people think that just because you can lose weight at the end of the day from doing a substantial amount of cardio, what we fail to realize is that cardio does not reduce body fat. And this is another reason why resistance training is important. I don't know if you've noticed that as soon as you get off the treadmill, once you've done your cardio, you're no longer burning calories. The beautiful thing about developing and building muscle is that, guess what? You're able to burn calories from doing absolutely nothing. That means you will be burning calories relaxing, driving in the car, chilling on the sofa, you know what I mean? That's another reason why I'm able to eat crazy from time to time, just because my body is already burning a large amount of calories just because my body fat percentage is already low. So if you haven't been doing this already and you've been focusing on just abs and cardio, keep up the abs and cardio, but just make sure you're implementing at least 3 days of resistance training, and you will start being able to reduce a tremendous amount of weight. Not just weight as well, but body fat percentage throughout your entire body. But do understand, we gotta make this a lifestyle change. And if you like more tips like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe.